Are you struggling with validating tokens in Azure AD B2C? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to unravel the mystery behind token validation. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to implement a feature and something just doesn't work as expected. Token validation is a common hurdle, and it can leave you scratching your head. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Why is my token signature invalid when using Azure AD B2C?" They mentioned trying to validate the token manually using jwt.io, but ran into issues. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be going wrong? The process involves using the KID claim from the JWT header to select the correct public key for signature validation. If any step is missed, it can lead to an invalid signature error. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can save you time and headaches when working with Azure AD B2C. To begin validating the token, the user should first extract the KID value from the JWT header. This value is essential for identifying the correct public key. Next, the user needs to locate the JSON Web Key Set, or JWKS, which contains the public keys. This can be found at the JAID URI specified in the Azure AD B2C metadata. After obtaining the JWKS, the user should search for the public key that matches the KID value extracted earlier. This key will be used for signature validation. Now, the user can use the N value from the public key along with the appropriate algorithm to validate the token's signature. This step is crucial for ensuring the token's integrity. Finally, if the user still encounters an invalid signature error, they should double-check the token's structure and ensure that the correct public key is being used. Fun fact, did you know that the first JWT was created in 2010? It's amazing how quickly technology evolves, but token validation still trips up many developers. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution for validating Azure AD B2C tokens involves using two NPM packages, jwks.rsa and JSON Web Token. First, retrieve the JWKS URI from your Azure B2C configuration. Then, use the JWKS client to get the signing key based on the KID value from the token header. Finally, verify the token using the Web Token package with the correct audience and issuer options. Make sure to define the application ID and issuer URI based on your Azure B2C settings. This method allows you to validate tokens effectively, ensuring secure access to your application. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a public key derived from the modulus and exponent. They recommend visiting a specific link to generate this key, and then copying the output into jwt.io to validate the signature successfully. Here's the tip I promised. Always log the token validation process. This way, you can easily identify where things might be going wrong. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to validate your Azure AD B2C tokens successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Azure and beyond.